Hello, wondering why I'm so happy today? Let me tell you why. I just found a perfect companion to help me keep pace with my busy lifestyle. Meet LG's all-new front-load washing machine that makes my life so much easier and offers me complete comfort and convenience. Tired of segregating the fabrics or struggling to pick the right wash cycle for a mixed load? Say goodbye to the guesswork with LG's AIDD 2.0. Your clothes get the right wash with right care every time. LG's AIDD 2.0 not only detects the weight of the laundry but also senses the fabric type and soil level with the help of AI and precision of direct drive technology, allowing the machine to assess how dirty a load is and adjust wash intensity accordingly. Based on the huge data of accumulated washing experiences, LG's exclusive AIDD 2.0 offers the most optimized washing pattern from 20,000 wash patterns for each fabric to take good care of your laundry. And there's more. LG's 6-motion direct drive technology moves the drum in multiple directions, which thoroughly cleans the fabrics while giving them perfect care. Now that's what I call perfect washing. The digital knob gives you complete control along with helpful on-screen messages. Its minimalist design focuses on essential functions, making it easy to use while adding a sleek, modern touch to your washing machine. With LG's Turbo Wash 360-degree, you can wash your favorite dress in just 39 minutes with more fabric protection. The 4 directions of 3D multi-nozzles reach every inch of your laundry, thus providing an optimum solution in minimum time. Isn't that just great? Not only that, LG's Steam Plus technology removes 99.9% of allergens that can cause allergies. And it also reduces wrinkles. It means better hygiene and lesser wrinkles on your clothes. While your washing machine takes care of the hard work, you can sit back and relax. Thanks to LG ThinQ with Wi-Fi. With smart remote control, you can manage your laundry anytime from anywhere. And with the download cycle feature, you can access up to 20 additional wash programs. Now that's what we call truly smart washing. So if you want your clothes to last longer and also look super clean, then go ahead and bring home LG front load washing machine, your perfect companion.